Well, it's 10:44 on our full day 3, I would say. Just got back from swimming in local pool, which was heaven to me. I think we're going to head down the beach here in a little bit, and then I'm going to go for a bike ride. But as you can see, the sun's finally out, so that's always a good thing. For all you, those of you tired of this shot from our balcony, too bad.